Hello, my name is Martin Essenberg. I'm a clinical professor of finance at DePaul University. I'm here in Vilnius for the next 10 days as I am teaching the Executive MBA module on corporate finance and valuation in BMI's Executive Management program. Next week, Tuesday, I'm also giving a lecture designed for people in the community and those who may be interested in coming to the Leadership Development program. The topic that I'm going to talk about is why aren't profits enough? For many people, in their investment decisions or how they think about what adds value, their assumption is look, the more profitable the company, the better it is, therefore that's how we add value. I'm going to talk a lot about the role of profits and what else is really required in order to create shareholder value. And the important concepts that I'm going to cover include taking a look at the future. What is the future expectation of the company's capacity to perform, and what is the market sentiment about? That's quite different than looking at historical profitability from an accounting point of view. And then I'm also going to talk with you about the role that the management plays on very important things that contribute to value creation and long-term sustainability. Things like best place to work, how we manage the constructive tension that exists between employees and shareholders and customers in our communities against shareholder expectations. So I hope that you can join us. Thank you.